Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default search engine in Mozilla Firefox. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by selecting the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser screen, which is symbolized with three horizontal lines. Go ahead and left click on that, and then select Options. Select Search on the left side with the magnifying glass, and then underneath Default Search Engine, this is your default search engine in the address bar and the search bar. You can switch it at any time. Click inside the drop down here, and now you have options between Google, Amazon, Bing, DuckDuckGo, eBay, Wikipedia. So pretty straightforward process there, guys, on how to do that. You also can scroll down and select Find More Search Engines. And then you'd have the ability to go ahead and actually search for extensions. So you got plenty of different options here just to go off of. And you can also find add-ons here just by searching inside this bar. So for example, it doesn't show Yahoo. Let's say just for some reason you want a Yahoo search. Just search for that. So it's a search in new tab by Yahoo. We're going to go ahead and select that. And you can see this is by Yahoo. So if you click on it, it should be from them directly. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. And then you just would add it to your toolbar, and that would be about it. And you can select yes. And now if we were to close out of here and then reopen Firefox, and we were to search for something, it should search with Yahoo. You can see this is Yahoo search results. So there you go, pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.